In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trusted sites in Google Chrome. Need to make sure a specific website always works perfectly without being blocked? Here's how to set it up, step by step, so Chrome gives that site the green light while keeping your overall browsing secure. Start by opening Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left, select Privacy and Security. This area controls how Chrome protects you online and what each site is allowed to do, so it's the right place to manage trust for individual websites. Next, open Site Settings. This page lists the kinds of things websites might try to use, like pop-ups, sound, or access to your camera. Scroll all the way down until you see Additional Content Settings. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It's near the bottom. Here's where we'll create exceptions for specific features that Chrome usually blocks. Look for the sections labeled Insecure Content or Pop-ups. Insecure content refers to parts of a page that aren't fully protected, which Chrome tends to block automatically. Pop-ups are the separate windows or tabs some sites use for logins, payments, or downloads. Some legitimate sites rely on these to complete actions, so allowing them just for a trusted site can solve issues without opening the door everywhere. Inside either section, find the allowed list and click Add. Type the web address of the site you trust, exactly as you visit it, then click Add again. From now on, Chrome will treat that site as a safe exception for the setting you just chose. This applies only to the site you add, which means your protections stay in place for the rest of the web. There's also a quick way to do this while you're on the site. With the page open, click the small permissions icon next to the address in the bar. This opens a panel with controls like camera, microphone, and pop-ups and redirects. For the items you need, change the permission to always allow for this site. Many changes take effect after a refresh, so reload the page to apply them. Remember, allowing a permission like camera means that site can use it when you're on the page, not across all sites. That's all it takes. By adding a site to the allowed list or adjusting its permissions right from the address bar, you can make sure trusted websites run smoothly every time. Only do this for sites you know and rely on, and if you ever change your mind, you can return to the same spot to remove the exception. You're all set.